in love with this beautifully renovated single level home in Castle Hill, tucked away in a whisper quiet location and within walking distance to schools and transport. Hi, I'm Marie McCory and welcome to 5 Dana Close in Castle Hill. On entering, you'll be welcomed by a lovely formal living area with a wood fireplace. Cooking in this dream kitchen featuring stone benches and a huge walk-in pantry. The oversized master bedroom has a stunning ensuite with double vanities. Featuring 4 spacious bedrooms, all with built-ins, and an abundance of natural light. With side access and a second building at the rear, the potential is endless. Maybe a home gym, a home office, the choice is yours. If you want to see more of this stunning home, call me today to book your private inspection.